Enjoy. Enjoy na enjoy si Alexa. Good morning. Good morning, Alexa. Oh, no! Okay ka lang. Nagtug ka pa. Alexa, gisingin mo na yung mga kuya. Alis na tayo. Ha? Halika na, go to kuya. Call kuya. Call kuya. Call. Kaya. Kaya. Kiss. Kiss kuya. Kiss kuya. Kiss. Kiss kuya. Hindi mo alam. Kailangan may kiss. Wake up, kuya. Ayan na, nagising na kuya mo. Kiss, kiss kuya, bilis. Kiss mo si kuya. Jesus. Ay. Saan si Kuya Marcos? Hindi. Wake up. Hey, Dada, wake up. Sunny day. Punta kami na Ikebukuro and then we will go to Harry Potter today.
Mommy, did you know Japan is better version of Philippines?
Kahapon umuulan eh.
Yung Airbnb na stinayan namin dito, parang nasa quiet residential area siya, pero may malapit na shopping street. At si Happy Boy Marcos kasi nakita niya ang cafe. English. Diba naghahanap ka ng ganitong cafe, Marcos? Ito yung hinahanap ni Marcos na gaming cafe. Masaya niya. What is that? Gaming PC? Do you know it? Do you know about what's inside it?
Oh yeah, it's an RTX study area. I mean not RTX, I don't know what it's
Lucas, where are you going? Anak, Lucas!
Lucas, where are you going?
It's so cool. Sarap naman.
Getting fries, Alexa. Mainit pa kasi.
Wow! Aha. Kaya pala gusto mo dito, Marcos. Ayan, sasakay kami ng Ikebus. Ang cute, oh. Alexa! Where are you going? Ito yung parang sightseeing bus.
Ilang stops tayo? Isang stop lang to, di ba? Pero marami na tayo may...
Merong unlimited eh, 500, pero parang wala rin naman na tayong time. So,
Meron pa
just get the tickets for the Sun Park. Ticket Sun Park. Para makapaglaro yung mga bata sa Toshima Kids Park. Parang gano'n. Oh, galit na. Dito ka. Uy, kasama ka sa picture. Dito ka dahil family.
Okay, I am a dad. I am a father.
Picture. Ano yung nanap mo? Ah. The wheels on the bus so round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Sunshine City, all through the town. Doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut.
Oh wait, stay here.
You sing it to me in public.
So papunta tayong Ikisan Park. Sa next left, kaliwa na tayo.
Okay.
Mainit.
What is
Malakas yung
Kaliwa?
araw pero
What is Kaliwa?
hindi ka pinapawisan, no?
I don't know Kaliwa.
Ba't parang pinapawisan naman ako?
What is Kaliwa? Okay, left.
Nakakaya sa Filipino teacher mo pag napanood mo yan.
Pero, hindi naman super init.
This is a comedy for the vlog. Tango, ikitong
Okay. This is the Toshima and... Ano yung sinasabi ko, mali-mali mo niya ako.
What is Toshima?
Ayan. Kids, ano? Kids. Kids Park. Toshima Kids Park.
So ito ang Ikisan Park. Ikekuburo. Nagulat ako dun. Ano yun? What?
Oh! Where's Alexa?
So ito yung park. Wow.
Alam mo ba,
Oo,
free to?
narinig ko. Kahit malayo pag sinarinig ko.
Bah, wow.
What happened to you, Marcos? Di nakakaalis. Yeah. Hindi ka siya. Big ka na.
Hindi ito gumagana.
Siyempre, pang baby yan eh.
No, wait, how?
O, tara na, tara na.
Wait.
Ayaw niya pumasok sa loob.
Put her in the basket.
Alexa. 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 Pagod
Sleepy
itsura
ka.
niya. Ay, ayaw niya. Hoy! Ano nangyari? Bakit? Ha?
I'm videoing. Hi, Lucas.
Ito na, ito na.
Hi, Adeline.
Can you borrow that? I'm gonna check. Going to Harry Potter. Nawala. Napagod. We're on the way to... Saan tayo punta? Hogwarts. Kung saan iiwan namin si Marcos at Lucas, doon na sila mag-aaral. Oh no! Why na? yung makukulit eh.
I don't even know what to do there.
Doon yung makukulit. Don't worry,
I'm gonna collect them and then show my friends.
huwag ka magkalala. So, papadalang kita ng kwago. Alam mo yung kwago?
Kwago.
Kwago. Say kwago. Owl. Alam mo yung owl? Papadalang kita ng owl. Ba't naging English speaking ka na? Ha? Di ba Tagalog ka? More like that word ka, hindi ka naman nagsasalita.
Because I watch a lot.
Ah, nakaka-English pala yun. Okay. See you, Harry. Sleeping. And, sleepy?
No, I'm not.
Bakit makulit ka? Saan ka?
Ha? Nerima. Sa Harry Potter Land.
O, alam mo na dito yung Harry Potter kasi meron siyang ano, meron siyang paandar. Yan, like pakulo.
Actually works.
Ah, sige. Ah, sige. Okay, go. Ah, sige, you try. Amazed na amazed sila sa teleponong ganyan. Oh. Sige, ano? Nag-work ba? Ano, meron? Wala. Bigay kita kay Dumbledore. Oh, no! Bigay kita kay Dumbledore. Makulit ka. Anoy! Ano ka ba? Madali lang hanapin si Warner Brothers Harry Potter. Paglabas mo ng Toshimaen.
Where is the castle?
Ayan na nga, papunta na tayo. Uy, makulit. Ito, bibigay ito kay Dumbledore. Andali!
Can you buy me the red wood wand? It really looks good.
Mahal yata yun lang.
Why?
Mahal. May pera ka.
What about dragon's heartstring?
Makulit naman ito. Bo? Anong gusto mong bilhin na wand? Ha?
Let's see.
Bibilang kita ng wand made out of ipis wings. Okay yun. Ano? Gusto mo?
No.
Ikaw for ipis wings yan.
What's that?
Ikaw naman, I'll buy you a wand made out of Teka! Wand made out of
Pikachu. Poop.
Oh, mag-isip ako. Of garapata. What? Garapata is?
No.
You don't know garapata.
No.
Ganda, ano? Papasok na kami sa Harry Potter.
Ayun, Marcos, kita mo sarili mo?
Hindi ka gumagalaw.
Dapat gumagalaw.
Ay, hindi ko nga alam. Akala ko picture.
Dapat may picture ka.
O, isa pa. What's that? What's that? Kuya? What kind of Gryffindors are you? The sleepy ones? The tired ones? Look! Lucas, go there! You have to bow. Oh, what will you say to the Dementor? Not hi! No, you say expecto patronum.
I said that.
Okay.
Phoenix. Cool. How about you?
Ano?
Good.
Is it good? Hold the mug. Drink. Drink the beer. Under. Napakatamis.
It's honey. Honey. The top is honey. What's this? But the roof is not like this. It's supposed to be like a concrete white thing. It's just message from Harry Potter.
No, message from Hogwarts. Size ba talaga nila yan? Ang lalaki nila. Are you tired? Let's go back na. Let's go home na. Tapos na kami sa Harry Potter. Wala, shop daw. Papabili. Tama.
Maybe the one.
Yeah, it's here.
I'm trying to look for something cool for them, and it's
Oh, what's your one?
I'm trying to look for a good grip. Is this good? Okay, I think I already know. We're supposed to climb up there.
Saan? Bawal yata eh. Alexa, let's go! Alexa, let's go! Follow us! Here! Parang lasing. Go! Bye! Ayaw na. Bye, Alexa. Bye! Oh! Where's your kilikili? Where's your kilikili?
Ano, are you happy? Lila, dalawang araw niya nang kinakantahan kami ng Sharon. Sharon.
Hi. It's good. Never ate this for like 1 year.
Is it worth the wait?
And it is. Worth the wait.
Hawak, Diksa, baka malaglag ka. Diksa, Alexa.
The Tokyo Sakura tram. There are 5 seats in those cars. Please offer.
If we had a bicycle like them, there's like an for kids that they can sit on. And then yun, kids can sit on their mom's bike, like 2 kids. And then yun.
Tapos ako mag-bike.
Thank you for watching!